name of the Emperor, you will not falter! We can't hold! Run for your lives! Cowards! You will fight, or you will die!
I am Captain Gabriel Angelos of the Blood Raven's 3rd Company. Status.
My lord, forgive me. We have done all we can to stop the orcs, but we have failed. My men's lives are yours.
You stood your ground in the face of the Emperor's foes. You've done your duty. If your men have failed you, I will leave their judgment in your hands.
Thank you, my lord.
I am not here for your thanks. This port must be held if we are to maintain troops and supply lines to the planet's surface. That is why we are here. Now, what of the wounded and the civilians?
Stranded. We have few ships.
Then you shall have more. All Blood Raven flights execute Protocol 23 and initiate civilian evacuation. We will dispatch the ground forces.
Yes, my lord.
Ground forces, my lord? But the orcs have retreated.
You must know your enemy to defeat them, Colonel. Orcs only retreat to regroup. They will keep coming until you or they are dead. Brothers, let us destroy this alien filth! What a glorious day for a battle! As the Stronghold, our frontline battle headquarters is currently being assembled. We should proceed with caution until it is finished.
Onward to glory!
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. To me, brothers! Splendid. The Emperor protests. The Stronghold is complete.
Ready.
We must now set about establishing a proper frontline base. We must start capturing strategic points. These 3 closest strategic points will do for now. Let us capture them first, and then move on to the others.
As you wish.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw chapel barracks, there can be no that peace. Will allow us to call down more Space Marine squads.
Yes, Lord. With all due haste.
The area is secure. Yes, my lord.
Here to serve. With all due haste.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Taking heavy fire.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
At your command.
Yes, Lord.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Excellent. The chapel barracks is finished.
Objective log.
Now you can build some more Space Marine squads. The Emperor protects.
Here to serve.
If we are to defeat these orcs, we will need to call in some special weapons. We must build an armory to get access to them.
Build routine 721 initiated.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperials.
Consolidating
Well
position on the
done.
objective.
We have captured several strategic points.
Yes, my lord.
Capturing strategic points and building listening posts on them earns us more requisition
Fear
resource,
denies faith.
which we can use when we build squads and equipment. Walk softly and carry a big gun. My aim shall not falter.
Marine squad deployed.
Emperor, protect us.
Yes, my lord. Heresy grows.
Excellent. The point is now protected from an orc retaliation. We should continue to
Orders
build listening
received.
posts on all our captured points.
Here to serve.
Excellent. The armory is operational.
Initializing build
The Space Marine
protocol.
squads can now upgrade
Yes,
their standard
most
bolters to
beneficent
flamers
one.
and heavy bolters. It is time to
I will
hunt
do
down the
as you
source
ask.
of these orcs. They must have a base somewhere within the walls of this Imperial facility. But where?
What is your order? Fear denies faith.
We must
Cleanse,
not forget our
purge,
power needs.
Kill.
Building a
Moving
plasma
out.
generator
What's your order?
will supply us with the power we need to
enemy
keep our
is
force going.
attacked. Kill.
Look! An orc
Commencing
camp.
attack.
And look there! A break in the spaceport's defensive wall.
Engaging
They must
the
have
enemy.
blasted their way in. We must destroy
Engaging
this orc
the
camp
enemy.
and any others these foul creatures may have constructed. Plasma generators will continue to produce power at a constant rate. But there is a limit of how many plasma generators can be built
Ever
per
vigilant.
stronghold. Excellent. This orc camp has been destroyed.
Here to serve. Initializing build protocol.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
At your command. Objective acquired.
Those Imperial Guardsmen look like they could use some assistance. Come, brothers, make haste.
Our
Heresy
prayers have
grows
been
from
answered.
idleness.
Here come the Space Marines!
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Fear denies faith. None shall stop us. For the Emperor! Under fire! Direct us to the enemy.
Praise the Emperor. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721.
Today, the enemy
initiated.
shall know fear.
Orders received. Moving out. Cleanse, purge, kill!
What would you have me do?
Onward to glory!
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Onward to glory! Stay vigilant, brothers.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Weapons at ready. It is time. Orders received, brother. Fear our wrath. Orders received, brother. Stay vigilant, brothers. Understood. Maintain attack formation. Taking damage. Weapons at ready. It is time.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Orders received. Stay vigilant, brothers. Fear our wrath. Orders received, brother. Orders received.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Engaging the enemy. Charge! Moving out.
Regroup!
Weapons at ready. It is time. Maintain attack formation. Engaging the enemy. Orders received. Taking heavy fire. Weapons at ready. It is time. Orders received. Orders received, brother. Stay vigilant, brothers. Understood. For the glory of the Imperium. Onward to glory! We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. None shall stop us. Commencing attack. None shall stop us. Charge! Understood. Initiating attack protocol 23. Onward to glory! Orders received, brother. Space Marines attack! Weapons at ready. It is time. Take and hold. The area is secure. Objective acquired. Attacking as ordered.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721
He who stands
initiated.
with me shall be my brother.
Onward to glory! Weapons at ready. It is time. Fear denies faith.
I shall not die on
Understood.
this day.
Initiating attack protocol 23. At your command.
The Emperor protects. Excellent. This Orc camp has been destroyed.
I await your instructions. I exist to serve.
Objective achieved. What's your order? Charge!
Here to serve. With all due haste.
Securing
Yes, my
objective.
lord.
Attacking as ordered. The enemy is attacking!
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Commencing attack.
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask.
Ever vigilant. We are the Emperor's chosen. One broken! Faith is our shield. Regrouping. We are the Emperor's chosen.
My faith is my shield. The Emperor protects. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
None
Beware
shall stop us.
the mutant, the heretic.
Engaging the enemy.
My power armor will protect.
None shall stop us.
Excellent. This orc camp has been destroyed. There, that's the last of them. Well done, Blood Ravens. Victory is ours.
I am honored to be in the presence of a librarian. I wish to know how my men can better serve you.
We shall wait for the captain to finish his prayers. I saw you stand against the orcs. You are a brave man, Colonel. I wish I could say the same of your men.
I shall strengthen their resolve, my lord.
See that you do, or we shall do it for you. You have something you wish to say. Say it, Colonel.
How did you know?
Even without my psychic gifts, it is obvious. Speak.
Is it true your company eradicated a heresy on the planet of Cyrene recently? An exterminatus, down to the planet's last man, woman and child.
Colonel, your company is welcome, but such questions are not. Do not ask the captain about Cyrene if you intend to remain in his good graces. Brother Captain, the Colonel wishes an audience with you.
Thank you, Isidore.
My lord, my Tartarus 37th Imperial Guard Regiment stand ready to serve you in protecting the city. They wish to make amends for...
They will have many opportunities to prove themselves warriors worthy of the Emperor. The Blood Ravens are leaving the city. Its protection is in your hands.
I will ready my men. May I ask what your next course of action is?
Orcs only respect strength. I intend to show them that we have it in ample supply.